These have unanimously places on record its deep sense of appreciation and heartfelt congratulations to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, for the historic introduction of the next generation GST reforms in the country with effect from 22nd September 2025. These visionary reforms mark a watershed moment in India's economic journey, aimed at making the goods and services tax regime more transparent, technology-driven, business-friendly and inclusive. The new GST framework is expected to significantly reduce compliance burden, promote ease of doing business, strengthen cooperative federalism, and further accelerate the nation's growth trajectory towards becoming a $10 trillion economy. This acknowledges that the next gen GST reforms will directly benefit lakhs of small traders, entrepreneurs, and common citizens of Goa, especially in key sectors such as tourism, shipping, hospitality, mining, and manufacturing. It is a testimony to the Prime Minister's unwavering commitment to ensure that India's tax structure evolves with the needs of a fast emerging global economy. This House therefore places on record its profound gratitude and congratulates Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister, for his bold and reform-oriented leadership, and assures him of Goa's full support in realizing the vision of a Viksit Bharat at 2047. The references are before the House. The House adopts the congratulatory reference unanimously.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.